Equal justice under law. That's what's carved on the top of the Supreme Court building. The same institution that not too long ago rendered a ruling that grants a president three different types of immunity. These three different types did not exist prior to the Supreme Court creating them to accommodate Donald Trump's argument. If you're unfamiliar with the case or why it matters, the only thing you really need to know about the case was that what Trump's team argued in front of the Supreme Court, which is that he should be allowed, under law, to use SEAL Team 6 to assassinate his political rivals. That's a verbatim argument that his defense attorney used in front of the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court majority agreed with it. Now, unrelated to that entirely, Donald Trump had to face his New York sentencing today. He was found guilty by 12 jurors. These were 12 people selected both by the prosecution and by his defense team. And all 12 jurors unanimously found him guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in New York. He falsified these records in order to hide the fact that he was paying a porn star who he was committing adultery with at the time, during his first run as president, to hide the money. That's why he falsified the business records. Now, during his sentencing, this usually would carry up to a 4-year prison sentence, but the judge acknowledged the impossibility of properly sentencing an incoming president. And so Trump was granted an unconditional discharge. That means no jail, no probation, no fines. 34 felony counts, all guilty, no punishment. Equal justice under law.